Lake effect that's getting its act together this evening, continuing as we head into the night tonight. Winter storm warnings lasting through Wednesday afternoon. Not only do we deal with the snow and amounts that are between a foot or even a foot and a half of snow, but we have the cold to contend with as well. Wind chill values going below zero across western New York and down to -20 in spots for areas south of Buffalo from later this evening and into the day on Tuesday. Looking at our radar right now, we do have lake effect between Dunkirk right along the 90 up towards Hamburg, where visibility is near or even at zero. We have gusts that are around 20 to even 40 miles per hour and along 28 out to East Aurora and Warsaw and then up towards Batavia. This is where you're going to find the most difficult travel as we head throughout the next hour or so, but we will get that band to oscillate a bit as we head into the night tonight. Temperatures are in the teens. It feels like we're in the single digits. We have visibility that's at a mile or below or even at zero at times. It feels like -7 in Jamestown, -5 in Dunkirk. Have everything kind of ready in the car if you have to travel out. If you're going to be stuck somewhere, you want to be able to be warm as well. Our temperatures tonight will be in the single digits. Again, wind chills are well below zero, and areas south of Buffalo can pick up about a half a foot or even close to a foot of snow within that lake effect band. And then you combine winds gusting to around 35 miles an hour or so. We have very poor visibility, especially within that lake effect, and even outside of that between Niagara and Orleans counties, you have blowing and drifting snow as well. The forecast for what it feels like out there going between 15 and 20 below into early Tuesday morning, and really everyone will be below zero for what it feels like not only for the night tonight but even into Tuesday afternoon around 1 p.m. As this lake effect band gets underway and really seeing around snowfall rates 2 inches an hour, possibly a little bit more than that, it will meander between about 39 and 28 as we head throughout the night and into early Tuesday morning. By Tuesday afternoon, this will start to shift a little bit further north. That's why a lot of the Buffalo South towns, all the schools already have called in for tomorrow. And then this band actually drifts northward into Tuesday night, losing a lot of its steam, and Niagara and Orleans County are dropped off of that warning, and for good measure, because we're not going to deal with much snow out of that. Actually, during the day on Wednesday, however, everyone will get a general snowfall, and then much more cold air comes in behind that, and we'll be talking about lake effect again. So not much between Niagara and Orleans County as we head into Tuesday. It's going to be that 6 to 12 inch mark, potentially a little bit more between South Buffalo, Blaisdell, and then those higher elevations through the Boston Hills and Orchard Park, Hamburg as well, near that foot mark. Between Boston and Springville, you could see anywhere from around 6 to 10 inches of snow into early tomorrow, along the Chautauqua Ridge and near Dunkirk too. But then as you get outside of that lake effect, we're not dealing with much at all. As we look at our Tuesday forecast, it's going to be cold. We have temperatures in the teens, even single digits, and again, wind chill values that are below zero. We are going to be cold going in towards the end of the week too. We'll get a brief stay around 32 degrees for Tuesday, and then we're going into the almost single digits into the upcoming weekend. And I want to mention, because there are areas not dealing with lake effect tonight, there is some clearing out there. Aurora Borealis is ongoing in parts of the area too, so be prepared to look out for that if you have clear skies. You're watching 7 News at 6. We'll be back.